Hey, what's up, you guys? I just got this guy back. For those who knows me, I picked up a 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid. I have checked every box for this car except for one thing, which is the special paint. I'm not going to talk about the spec of the car because, needless to say, the car is just spectacular and is really, really fast. What I mean by really fast, it does quarter mile under 10 seconds. And also the 0-60 is literally 2 seconds, if not a hint below 2. It is legit. It is real. Go look at the other videos out there. But what I have done is something a little bit different. With every vehicle that I own, I like to upgrade my stereo. And this car is no different. But the challenge comes where this particular car runs on 15 volt all around the car. Traditional cars and the combustion engine cars traditionally has always run in a 12 volt circuit. So when this car is running at 15, any of the aftermarket parts or aftermarket stereos, that will create a havoc. What that means is that because majority of the aftermarket equipment really consumes only about a 14.5 to 14 volts comfortably. Otherwise, the equipment will overheat and it'll shut itself off and so forth. Even if you purchase really high quality or super high line stereo equipment, traditionally 14 volt, 14.2 to 14.6 is about the highest level you're going to want to feed into it before it overheats and then the equipment will shut off. But with that, I will give you a walk around of my car and let you see what I did upgrade. So first, I'm going to go around the back. So around the back here, I had to do a little bit of customization. I had to recut a panel up top and rewrapped it in Alcantara. And also this little piece here, I didn't have to do that, but I just felt I had extra wood, so I just wrapped it and redid it. But with that, I cut two vents, the outlet and the inlet. I haven't installed the inlet fan yet. It's kind of messy. I haven't completely finished it yet. But here's the outlet fan. I have two I think W8s. These are 8-inch these are W8s. W3 8-inch, and also two amps underneath. I did a 4-channel Rockford and also a 2-channel Rockford for the subwoofers. And in the middle there, I use a LCQ1 audio control to spread the signal around. And I'll put all that in there. But the most interesting part about the built upgrade is this. Is this battery right here. This is a lithium-ion battery, which I would link in the descriptions. This is a battery that's needed to help with the vehicle step down from that 15 volt down to that 12 or south of 14 volt area. And then along the way, I ran power cables from the front with these fuse trippers in there. Just in case if anything goes wrong, it would isolate the power so that it doesn't trip anything else or cause any type of drama throughout the car. Additionally, to show you what I actually have done also with upgrades, I got these pods. I don't know if you can see them very well, but these pods houses a 3.5 mid-range with tweeter and a tweeter. I like highs, I like brights, and these really make it exceptional. I use CT, and then these ones are, I forgot the brand, but I'll link them below later on. But this is the front. And then with the back, I did Hertz Mini Pros. I just carried them over from another vehicle back over here. But these are pods that I have made and put them in the footwell area and kind of out of the way, and so that it can additionally enhance the sound. The key piece here of the whole build, of course, the remote wire. The remote wire doesn't really work well with the amps, with the auto sensing or the power, because the power is just very unique the way it is ran. But what I did here was tap into the cigarette lighter adapter. Not a lot of the articles or forums out there has used this method yet. This is the old school method where when the car goes off, the power should cut out. especially within the cigarette lighter adapter. And they do have one here in the Tesla, although some of the reps said they didn't. But in order for the cigarette lighter adapter to go off, you have to turn off Sentry mode, which is not optimal, but that's the only way this guy will go off. And that was the only way to work around and get the system built the way I like. The sound is pretty good. I'm not gonna you know, knock about that. So overall, that was a lot of work. And yeah, I do think it was worth it, because for me, it matters. Sound does matter to me, because in California, I spend a lot of time in this car. While I don't have as long as a commute as before, it was a lot of work. I'm going to keep this short. And if anyone have any questions, please feel free and comment below, or even email me directly. Till then, till the next project. Thanks. Take care.